Look at how skinny she looks out there in the water.
Come on, puppy. Oh, crud. Come here. Here, baby.
Murphy's like, come on guys, follow me. Come on. You want to play?
Come on, Murph. Come on, buddy. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy. Murphy.
Murphy. Murphy. Like, come on guys. Okay. Good boy.
Good job, Murphy. Good boy.
Come on, Murph.
Murphy, good boy.
You want it? You want it?
No, because that's not the edge of the water. You see that fence way out there? That's the river. This is all just flooding.